Sorry.
Don't be good man. Why you go talk like that?
No, really.
I don't want fight though. I want greet am. Make you see me say I be good person. Why not, sir?
I like that.
Now I'm minister be this one. Why not, sir? I hate, sir. No, I'll vote, sir.
I like this.
I'm for you.
Am I here, please?
ADC! I don't give you the paper for your hand. The paper there in your hand.
Handshake. When you go vote, mommy, handshake.
Go for it.
On Saturday. I know, I said
Fine, baby. You are carrying baby.
I know just say you go for us.
Watch it.
You know this person.
I'm going to give you bribe. We need to win money.
Come here, run away. You know I'm good. Come here.
On Saturday, early in the morning, but 8 to 8:30, just come out.
I beg. Congratulations.
Well done, sir. Say yes, sir. You go school. Say yes.
Wait, it's not 44. You sure which school be that? Make your father know the TV because someone turn you to trader. Did they go school?
Say thank you, sir. Say thank you, sir. Say thank you, sir. Say ADC power. Say ADC power. ADC power.
Bye, the goodie. Let him up here. Party that once for all. Let me witness.
We see Amo.
I witness.
Anything where I no go from where, make it go down.
I don't go collect.
New AMAC is possible.
Sorry.
Rise and shine. ADC.
What time are you with your What time? What time are you around? Anytime? Eh? Eh? Which trouser?
Nadis, counselor.
His Excellency Amaechi is here, present. No, sir. This is a grassroots politics. If you don't go to the grassroots, money get on a grassroots. If you don't go grassroots, you don't go see anybody. If His Excellency remember us today, come inside our market to come and tell us the good things where we say the new chairman go do for us under the party of ADC. If you come there, come tell us, and by the grace of God, as they tell us, I believe say they go do us. I know His Excellency of good performance of all his work as a governor and a former minister of transport in Nigeria. With all the railroads where he put for Nigeria, Nigeria has been able to move forward to the next level. So please, we will give him a small opportunity, a small time to speak to us and to give us our trader's name.
So everything about more, right? Everything about more, right?
Yes,
okay. Well, I'll tell you one thing. Free of charge, ordinarily you should pay me for it as a lawyer. You should consult me. Tinubu has passed a law called tax law. Are you know that one?
Yes.
You know tax law?
You know.
Now the tax law, when they pass, it is easy.
No.
Now, if that law, if they implement the law today, on a go say election must come tomorrow, because they will take 25% of your money. You no go argue. As soon as somebody pay you first, nobody will pay you by hand again. Nobody get cash. All money must come from the bank. The moment I pay you for your bank, they will collect 25%. They shout, I don't tell you now. No be 2007. You begin crying. Me I gonna laugh. I go be visitor. I gonna come from outside because Nigerians need to hear. If you don't want me, then remove that 25% for your money. Make you simply vote ADC from council now. From council now. Because if you vote APC, first, I don't know why would they even argue. When I don't test APC. Yes, so. When they suffer, when I see they come here, I don't pursue them. When I never pursue them, I'm not serious.
You don't feel near here.
Whether they fit there here or not. As you go vote that day, make you sit down, carry food, go. Since morning, you don't think I don't shop now, corn. And the corn I buy for this junction now. And corn, corn where would they get from my village free of charge? You must say 350 naira. How many people go fit buy corn 350 naira? How many? I make a one on that. as they take 25% from honor, and so they will take from other people. If they take from doctor, when you go see doctor, you go add the 25% on top.
That's what it is.
If doctor come market, you go add the 25%. Everything goes scatter. You go add your own. School fees they come home. School go add your own. They laugh. Now things go dey difficult. By that time, I don't vote APC. I don't go do anything again until next election. Next election again, they go begin life on that. They go buy rice. They go buy rapper. And I will begin. No, I don't sing for me. And Papa this, but I get only 3 children. No. All of us are brother and sister. If you are a papa, go and vote on that day. Vote ADC on Saturday. Next election, vote out APC. If you vote out APC, things go change.
Would you on the ballot? No. Would you on the ballot? No. Area! Hey! I hear say, somebody said they don't write the result of AMAC election.
For where?
What do you want to talk? Somebody said to Biakwa. Back to sender. It is impossible. When they hear me, not be all of us suffer together. Not be all of us there inside shit for market. Not be all of us there inside this multiple taxation. Not be all of us there on this bad road way full look. Not be all of us our cars they scatter. Not be us our children not be go school. When I thought I say our children they go school. When I vex so, we are not tired. Listen.
Too much tax.
You get the car and we go fall. I swear, you get the car wind we go blow. If you carry umbrella, plus you and the umbrella, please go umbrella on a commode. AMAC is so dirty that you cannot use broom to sweep it.
That's all.
So broom could leave for winches. The problem of AMAC and the problem of Nigeria. Now, waiting at you talk saying a lack of respect. People know they get respect for different religion. People know they get respect for different tribe. We never tire for tribalism. We never tire for religious gangsterism in political space.
We don't tire.
Okay, so now that do I have my northern brothers here?
Yes.
Yanzunda ake yin Muslim ticket. Ku Muslimi kuna jin dadi ko? Ana jin dadi mana. To menene? Menene me yasa ake yi Muslim ticket ba an ce wai Musulmi ko za su ji dadi ba? To mun tawaye wannan wayon banzan na mun gane. Ba za mu kawo addini cikin siyasa ba. Ba za mu kawo kabilanci cikin siyasa ba. As we dey here today, this microphone get tribe?
No.
Bread get tribe?
No.
Tomato get religion?
No.
Therefore, the best of us must lead the rest of us. AMAC is the #1 political council in Nigeria. This is the symbol of the country.
Yes.
As I talk to now today, then they record them. The person will be chairman of AMAC no go school, you don't even get certificate. I won't make you come carry me go court. How can person when no get primary certificate become chairman? How it take happen? This gangsterism and criminality must stop. On next week Saturday, it must stop.
Yes.
Is a new AMAC possible?
Yes.
That is why me and Gladys they produce chairs, desk for primary school here for Kapua for Lube. Because children they sit down for ground, you good like that? No. 40 years after I finished primary school for here, children are sitting on the floor. Which kind of madness be that? Which kind of thing be that? Now follow come on waiting. So therefore, one guarantee that you have is that we go make sure say children, regardless of their class, must return back to school. Boko Dole. Because education is the #1 human capital development. No be so? Even if you are a market person, as you resume office, there will be an opportunity for you to go to school. Double taxation, impossibility, and the difficulty of environment in doing business is going to be stopped when we come in. Market is for prosperity. Market understand money. Market know they hear English. But today, you know they make profit. No be juju be that. That juju we must come out on the 21st of February. Next week Saturday we must come out the juju.
Market must make prosperity. Traders must make profit. That thing where you go allow us to make profit. Now you won't bring come in. Primary healthcare center. Now promise what we make. We will declare emergency in primary healthcare center. 2 years ago, I went to a primary healthcare center in Tonga Madaki. Even where women they born, there is no toilet. Now so I begin the repair and move. So I'm not standing here today. Thank God my father is here. Daddy, I am not standing here to make promise. Because when you make promises, you are going to break it. I am talking about track record. It is what you have been doing that you continue to do. So we are here to declare today. When Rotimi Amaechi was governor, one of the problems this our daddy has is that he does not like to make, he doesn't like publicizing himself. The number of health centers that were built that time, even some of the people they disturb us today, now people where he raised now two have been alive. He raised men. Not be so. He built schools. That is one of the things he did. Projects were given. Contracts were given to people that I did not know. That is one of our leaders. The first time I went to APTI to go and lecture in American University, owned by Atiku Abubakar, I was shocked. That was the only university in Nigeria where I saw students from Botswana, from Kenya, from other places. He's one of the leaders that we have in what in the ADC. Did we not know what P2B did in education in Anambra State? Yes. He took education from number 26 to what? In the country. These are the leaders of ADC. And today we are proud to say that our Papa day here. Now our Papa be this, so we don't get another one. Now our Papa be this, so. So we don't get another one.
And as the case may be, please, one of us will want to make a request. In a rifle.
Excellency, I'd like to say welcome. Dr. Mo, welcome. You've made your request known to us. You want us to vote you. By the grace of God, you become the chairman. Amen. Inshallah. Yeah? But for us, those of us who are traders in this market, we don't feel the presence of government. No. Also, on behalf of the traders in this market, I want to make a passionate plea that when you win, we want to be seeing you around us. We want to have the impact of government. You can see our roads. You can see at night, this place is very, very dark. Even in this era of solar street lighting fitting, we don't have solar around here. Just solar. Your Excellency, sorry. So, since I've been in this market for over 5, 6, 7 years now, I've never seen the councillor of this ward. The councillor has never visited us. Abi, don't visit Una? No. People of AMAC, have you seen the chairman of the local government here? No. Even the senator representing us, have you seen him here? No. Why are we in Abuja? I still keep wondering if we are in AMAC. You're not in Abuja, you're in Dubai. So, Your Excellency, with your team, Dr. Mo, I wish you luck.
Thank you.
But I want you to pencil my request. It's a passionate plea. If we vote you and you don't visit us, I will lead a protest against you.
I love that.
I will lead it. I love that. My name's Honorable Robert Aga Ezafrokwe. Yes. I am a very popular MC in Abuja. I will lead a protest against you. And
you don't lead a protest, I will lead a protest against you. Because I'm the one that lead protests in Abuja.
Okay, thank you very much. So, thank you very much. This is our plea. Okay. On behalf of my chairman, I say thank you.